Hello and welcome to Duralast Roofing. Duralast manufactures a custom prefabricated, reinforced thermoplastic membrane roofing system that is ideal for any flat or low-sloped application. In fact, over 1 billion square feet of the Duralast roofing system protects buildings of all types in all different climates all across North America. We're excited to take you on this virtual tour of our manufacturing facility and those of our affiliated JRB companies. We hope you'll see how our vertically integrated manufacturing process brings together the highest quality roofing components used to deliver long-lasting, worry-free, leak-proof protection. Let's begin our tour. The single-ply membrane used in the Duralast system is made exclusively by Plastic Engineering Limited. Plastic formulates a proprietary thermoplastic blend of resins and plasticizers, stabilizers, biocides, flame retardants, and UV inhibitors to make the film used in the Duralast membrane. Specially selected chemical components improve the performance of your roof by enabling the reflection of solar heat away from your building, resisting rooftop plant and mildew growth, and offering optimal protection against fire damage. Film calendaring is the beginning of the manufacturing operation. A computer-controlled process feeds the appropriate chemicals into a Henschel mixer, which blends the dry resins, liquid compounds, and other additives into the PVC mixture. This blend then flows into a planetary extruder that uses heat and shear to fuse the compound. A strainer then filters out contaminants. Next, 4 calendar rollers, each weighing 18,000 pounds, press the compound into the required film thickness, with each run being carefully monitored to ensure consistent thickness throughout the entire roll. Film is produced in a variety of thicknesses depending on the final membrane composition and whether it's to be used as the top or bottom layer of the Duralast membrane. The second manufacturing phase is the production of our high-density weft insertion knitted scrim. This 17 mil scrim has a density of 14 by 18 threads per inch and is the source of the membrane strength. Weft insertion means that a small knot is tied at the point where the horizontal and vertical threads meet. This maximizes the scrim's strength and its ability to protect against natural elements such as wind and hail, as well as human activity that can cause punctures and tears. Laminating is the final manufacturing step in producing the roofing membrane. During the lamination process, heat and pressure are applied to top and bottom layers of film and a middle layer of scrim to form the single-ply roofing material. No filler material is ever added to increase membrane thickness. As the newly laminated membrane is rolled, it is visually inspected for imperfections. Random samples from each roll are rigorously tested for quality, and the results are logged before it is shipped to Duralast for roof prefabrication. In fact, all components of every Duralast roof are fully traceable back to their original production batch. This internal quality control process allows us to ensure consistent long-term performance for every product we manufacture. Testing for new product development and long-term performance in a variety of temperatures, climates, and wind velocities is the job of our internal research and development team. At the Duralast Quality Control Lab, we continually test the film, scrim, and membrane that ultimately become the Duralast roofing system. We also test the quality of factory welds, attachment plates, fasteners, caulk, and other components. Duralast maintains a well-equipped lab with state-of-the-art analytical equipment, including a QUV accelerated weathering tester, an environmental test chamber, a xenon arc weatherometer, Raman spectroscopic instrumentation, a tensiometer, and laser-enabled thickness measurement instruments. These tools simulate real-world weather conditions and audit exposed weather performance. Our products are also field tested under extreme conditions and UV exposure in various geographic locations and climates. Their outdoor performance is validated through IMAQUA, an independent accelerated weathering and static performance testing facility. These inline testing procedures and post-production audits are just the beginning of our quality assurance process. We monitor every component in our roofing system and finalize the cycle with a post-installation inspection. We'll discuss that in more detail later in this program. The finished membrane is sent from Plastic to Duralast for fabrication into roofing systems. Other single-ply systems are delivered as roll goods to the job site, where they are assembled on the rooftop. However, at Duralast, the material is transformed from a rolled single-ply membrane into a custom prefabricated roofing system designed and manufactured in our facility specifically for your rooftop. Our factory-controlled welding process is a crucial prefabrication step because it eliminates up to 85% of the seaming required on-site during installation, which reduces rooftop labor and helps improve the long-term performance of the roofing system. At the production roll staging area, the single-ply membrane rolls are carefully re-inspected and accepted for prefabrication. Once a roll has been accepted, it will proceed to the cutting tables, where a computer-generated cut tag is attached to the membrane pieces, showing the contractor name, assigned project number, and most important, the size and number of pieces required to custom manufacture the panels for each roof. The pieces are cut and then sent to the welding station. At the welding machines, operators compare the size and number of individual pieces received against the computer tag to ensure order accuracy. Either a hot air welder or a dielectric welder is then used to fuse individual pieces together, creating panels up to 2,500 square feet each, with strong, durable, and watertight seams. After the deck sheets for your project are made, they are taken to the folding floor, where every weld is manually inspected and, if accepted, stamped by a quality assurance inspector. The size of each sheet is measured again to verify its accuracy, and the ends are trimmed straight. When the deck sheets are ready to be shipped, they are folded so that the fastening tabs, strips of membrane used to attach sheets to the roof deck, unroll evenly on the rooftop, helping reduce overall installation time. The panels are then rolled, wrapped in plastic, and labeled with the contractor's name, project number, and panel dimensions. Because every Duralast roof is prefabricated, every panel is assigned a letter designating its proper location on the roof. When the panels arrive on the job site, your installer will follow the roof design and attach your custom-made panels at the proper locations. Not only are deck sheets made to order, so are other membrane-based components, such as parapet, curb, and stack flashings. Each of these pieces is made with the same material and the same attention to detail and quality as the deck sheets. Let's take a look at how Duralast fabricates custom stack and curb flashings. Dealing with common rooftop penetration, such as HVAC units, stacks, and drains, can be a difficult task for contractors installing some roofing systems. Flashings for these components are typically constructed on the rooftop by the installer, a challenging and time-consuming process. If not properly sealed, they can allow moisture to penetrate and cause roof leaks. Duralast has solved this problem by prefabricating stack and curb flashings that fit easily over protrusions to be heat welded to the installed deck membrane, sealing out moisture. Every flashing is produced under controlled factory conditions to within a 1/4 inch of your exact dimensions. This slight variance ensures a proper fit and allows for typical rooftop expansion and contraction. A key reason for Duralast's success has been the custom prefabrication of a complete roofing system. Another is that our vertically integrated manufacturing process ensures that every component of your roofing system meets rigorous quality standards and is covered by a single comprehensive warranty. Now, this alleviates your need to carry multiple warranties from different manufacturers for each individual component of your roof. Your Duralast roof can have a professional finish with either vinyl or metal edge details. These edge details and fastening accessories are manufactured by two of our sister companies, Exceptional Metals and Oscoda Plastics Incorporated. Exceptional Metals offers a complete line of standard metal edge products and accessories to finish any roofing project. Give your building an aesthetically pleasing finish by selecting gravel stop covers, two-piece compression metal, and fascia covers from our DuroGuard Edge product line. Our broad assortment of in-stock metals offers you plenty of design options. Plus, standard DuroGuard products ordered in standard colors can be delivered at the same time as the rest of your roofing system. Specially designed products or products in custom finishes may require additional fabrication and delivery time. Exceptional Metals also manufactures a broad range of custom products, from scuppers and collector boxes to gutters, downspouts, and coping. Exceptional Metals can give your building a great look and help keep water flowing in the right direction. These items are crafted to your exact specifications and made to easily install with the Duralast roofing system. For buildings requiring a custom detail in a premium finish or specialized metal, Our motto is, if you can draw it, we can make it. Oscoda Plastics Incorporated specializes in manufacturing PVC injected and extruded roofing components, including a complete line of vinyl edge products, installation plates, and roof walk pads. Duralast's vinyl termination bars, fascia systems, and drip edge products provide a watertight termination. In addition to roofing components, Oscoda Plastics has developed Protectol specialty flooring. Protectol is an environmentally friendly flooring system that is manufactured from the remnant vinyl produced in Duralast's manufacturing process and other sources. Each year, an average of 3 million pounds of vinyl is recycled by Oscoda Plastics and kept out of our nation's landfills. The most common method of securing the Duralast roofing system to your roof deck is by means of mechanical fastening. Tip Top Screw Manufacturing, another Duralast sister company, produces roofing screws, concrete screws, heavy-duty fasteners, construction fasteners, insulation fasteners, and insulation plates that are used in the commercial roofing industry. Again, vertical integration of the manufacturing process helps ensure every fastener meets Duralast's long-lasting protection standards. Tip Top roofing fasteners have obtained factory mutual approval, certifying that they can resist the high winds and the corrosive conditions commonly found on roof decks. Tip Top's superior corrosion resistance is derived from our electrocoating process. A specially selected epoxy is applied to fasteners by immersing them into an electrically charged tank that permanently attaches the epoxy to the fastener. This process coats the fastener and keeps it from corroding when exposed to moisture. With over 1 billion square feet of roofing membrane installed, we have found that attention to even these small details makes a long-term difference in your roof's performance. After every accessory has been produced and your order has been brought together, your complete custom fabricated roofing system is ready to be shipped. And because of our strategically located manufacturing facilities across the United States and our tightly controlled manufacturing process, we can deliver your custom-made roof to your facility within 5 business days of when we receive the order. Our commitment to quality doesn't end when your roof is shipped out our door. Your project will be installed only by an authorized contractor, then inspected by a Duralast Quality Assurance Technical Representative. Duralast has the largest team of tech reps of any roofing system manufacturer in the United States. They inspect the quality of every field weld and make sure installations have followed our engineering requirements prior to issuing you a warranty. If the inspector finds any deficiencies, the roofing installer will make the necessary corrections and then the warranty will be issued. Selecting the right roof for your building is a complex decision. So here are a few things to consider when choosing a roofing system. Is the roofing system custom fabricated for your building? Will this roofing product help reduce your building's energy consumption? Does the manufacturer support its product with a warranty that protects you against ponding water and consequential damages? And does the manufacturer have the staff in place to respond to emergencies and stand behind your roof installation for years to come? What is the roof's total life cycle cost when longevity, maintenance and repair costs, energy savings, and tear-off and disposal costs are all considered? When it comes to installing your new roof, does your roofing contractor have commercial roofing experience, competent installation crews, and a good reputation for quality? When you choose a Duralast roof for your next project, you're protecting your building with a prefabricated, energy-saving, long-lasting roofing solution that we proudly call the world's best roof. Thank you for taking the time to view this presentation. We hope you've enjoyed your virtual tour of Duralast Roofing. For more information on a precision fabricated roof for your building, please contact your Duralast sales representative or visit our website at www.duro-last.com.